Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So firstly, you have to go here, the search bar, and write CMD. Now go run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to put here a single command, which is chk dsk space c clone space / and scan. Now hit and will take some minutes. You have to hold on till it's 100%. Okay, I'll be right back when it's done. The first stage is complete. It is second stage is running. Hold on. It's 67%. Wait till it's 100%. So here it is complete. The first command. You have to put here the second command, which is chk again dsk space c clone space / f. Now hit enter again. Now you have to put here y or n. You have to put here y. Now enter. Okay, you can see here that this volume will be checked the next time the system will be restarted. Okay, so you have your first step is here complete. You have to go to the second step, which is go here again, the search bar, and write services. Hit enter. Now find sysmain. Sysmain start with S, so put your cursor and click on any of this and click and press S from your keyboard, so it will take you to the S section. Now find sysmain, SYSMAIN, this one. Just double click on this and make sure it is stopped and disabled. Service status should be stopped. Now you can see here startup type is disabled and service status should be stopped. Now click on apply, then click on OK. Now go to the next connected devices platform reviews. Now let's find connected devices, which is C section. I'll find here connected devices platform, this one. Double click on this and you have to disabled and stop it again. After doing this, you have to go again Windows search. Click on apply, click on OK. So Windows search in W section, I will put my cursor anywhere and put a single click, and I will just press W from my keyboard, and it will take me to W section. Let's find now Windows search, this one. Double click on this and you have to do the same thing, go disabled and stopped. After completing this, click on apply and OK. Now just cross this thing, just cross it and go to the next step. The next step is in C section, local disk C, where you have installed your Windows. Just put your cursor on, right click on the C section, then you have to go to properties. Under this properties, you have to go to tools, this section, then go optimize. Click on optimize, then change the settings. Here you can see change settings. Click on this. Now you'll find here this run on schedule option, which is ticked. You have to untick this and click on OK. Alright, now you have to go cross all of this and go to task manager. Go to open. Now go here, you can see startup, and you have to find here which which application you don't use it anymore, or you don't, the application you don't know actually. So I'm gonna put this application disable. If it's enable, let's say, I don't use this application, Microsoft Edge, so just right click and I will disable it. Okay, Microsoft Teams, I don't use it, so if it's enabled here, I just right click on this and click on this disable. Disable some of this application and click on cross. Okay, now go to the next step, which is going here again and write appwiz.cpl. Now click on this open. Then you have to also find here the application you don't use it anymore, or the application you don't know actually. So let's say I don't know this application, remote desktop connection. I'm gonna just uninstall it from here. Then I don't know this Teams machine wide installer. I will uninstall this application. Okay, so after doing this, click on cross and go to the next step. The next step is put your cursor here and right click on the Windows and go to settings. Now you have to click on this system option. Now you have to go to storage, this one. Under the storage section, you will find here this temporary files. It is loading, hold on. Click on this temporary files. Now choose all of this from here and click on remove files. It will lightweight your PC and it will remove unnecessary applications or unnecessary files you don't use it anymore or in a trash bar. Let it work. You can minimize it and go to the next step. The next step is going here, uh, Windows plus R from the keyboard together, Windows plus R, and you'll find this here. Click on run. Sorry, you can directly click here and run. You'll find it, and you have to write here temp. Hit enter. Now you have to just choose all of this and right click on this and go to delete. Click on continue. Okay, some of application may not be deleted. That's not a problem. You can leave it here and go to the next again. Run. You have to put here percentage temp percentage. Again, click on OK. Then you have to again do Ctrl plus A to select all, and you can delete it from the mouse here. All deleted. Some application may not be deleted, I repeat, but that's not a problem. Just cross and now just restart your computer and see the result. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.